Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons with homemade butter. Hello, in this video I'm going to be making butter from double cream. In the States you might call that heavy cream. It's so simple to do, and to be honest with you, I don't know why more people don't do it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I think you're going to really like this one. Alright, no recipe in this week's one because, well, it's just cream. Just cream. High fat content cream is all you need. Stand mixer is advised with a whisk attachment, and I will explain the whisk attachment because you will get all the butter stuck in those whisk bits. But if you use a paddle fitting, when it's actually there, it splashes buttermilk all over your kitchen. Really messy. Don't leave this alone though. Stand by it. The whole process might be 5 minutes, maybe maximum. I just scrape down the bowl every now and again to get all the bits in, and then you'll see a change happening here. It's definitely changing now. The liquids are separating from the fat. They can't hold on to each other anymore, and you'll need to keep going until the buttermilk that's left in there is of like a milk consistency. It's very thin and runny. If you stop it and it's sort of creamy, you haven't churned this quite enough, so you need to keep going. There you go, that's butter. Brilliant. And there you go, there's that consistency. So hopefully that's straightforward. I thought there might be some creamy bits left, so I just gave that another 30 seconds. There, that's done. We've made butter. So to help it along, when some ice water is very useful. It's not essential, but I've got some ice water ready there, so I'm gonna a bit of a faff here to get the butter out from the whisk, but we get there. It's not too difficult, and we're gonna squeeze and squeeze and squeeze as much of the liquid out as possible. Obviously your butter will last longer that way as well. And then you've got more buttermilk, which by the way is really tasty. I like just to drink it, but you can marinate chicken with it, you know, if you want to do southern fried chicken, that sort of thing. Lots of recipes with buttermilk. And so that's all of the butter that I had in big lumps, but that's all of the buttermilk, and there's bound to be a few little bits of butter in there as well. So found that, yes, got that together, and use like a thick, strong strainer like I got there, rather than your delicate little sieve, because you'll break your sieve if you don't. And I like to use some scrunched up parchment paper. I'll form my butter into a log, but if you've got some ramekins or something, you can shape it into whatever shape you want really, and just get that nice and tight with the paper. I'm going to roll that into a nice cylinder like so, and then I'm going to scrunch up the ends, and that goes in my fridge, and well, I say it's going to last a couple of weeks, I imagine. I've never really got that long. It's so nice, it's just so tasty, it's yummy. And let's use some, shall we? So I thought I'd do some garlic butter prawns. So that's some white wine and some garlic, a lot of garlic. Just reduce it until it's all syrupy, and then yeah, a little bit of butter in there. It's a great big whacking lump of butter over a low heat, just so it melts, it breaks down slowly, and when it's on a low heat, just bubbling away. Drop those raw prawns in there and let them poach in butter. Yes, this is sinful. I don't care. I love butter. It makes everything better. And yeah, just turn those around as they just again poaching away in that. Oh my god! I mean, do you want that or what? Yeah, finish that with some parsley. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll serve that in a bowl. And that's my homemade keto bread. Yep, still making that. And enjoy it with a bit of white wine. Anyway, hand you over to me for the tasting. So, how is this butter? Oh my god. That is naughty. Very naughty indeed. And I love it. These prawns ain't bad either. So if you ever wondered how to make butter, it really is that simple. And you can add lots of different flavours to the butter to make it what they call a compound butter. I'm planning for my next video to be Café de Paris butter, which is probably like the most complex compound butter there is. It's got a gazillion different ingredients in it, but it goes really classically with a steak frite, which they absolutely adore in those bistros in France. So that should be my next video coming very, very soon. So thank you very, very much for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. Obviously, I would just say, if you like what you see here, interact, comment, like, share, subscribe. All of those things would be greatly appreciated, and it might let the platform know that there's quite a good channel here, perhaps, that people might enjoy it. Anyway, I will catch you in the next video, which should be Café de Paris butter, pretty soon. See you then. Bye.